What brought me to Seton Hall was the opportunities that I knew they would provide. This past summer, I had the opportunity to move to Washington, D.C. and be a summer associate at War on the Rocks, which is a defense and security media company.
What inspired me was the internship opportunities in Washington, D.C. Some of my responsibilities are doing research on local projects in the communities.
So I've been interning with New Jersey Transit, specifically for the Police Intelligence Unit, since January of this year. Throughout this internship, the primary driver and the focus of the unit has been counterterrorism. So I've gotten a lot of experience in counterterrorism on a statewide level, specifically through transit and mass transit, which is definitely a different perspective than a lot of different organizations will give you.
I had the chance to intern at the UNCPGA, which is the Council of Presidents of General Assembly. That was a great hands-on experience that I received from the council with the support of the internship development programs at Seton Hall.
I interned at the State Department in DC, specifically in the now terminated Office of Global Criminal Justice. My responsibilities included going to various meetings with different staff and working on their regional portfolios. I also attended congressional briefings.
I found out about the opportunity through a former Seton Hall alum who was also a member of the School of Diplomacy and the leadership program that I'm a part of.
I found my internship through Handshake, and then actually upon working there, they told me that they've actually employed multiple people from Seton Hall School of Diplomacy, so that was just an added benefit.
I'm so glad that I did. I enjoyed that semester, just going to UN-associated buildings and getting to meet with the people and hear their stories and connect with them.
Seton Hall School of Diplomacy presents many opportunities, from interning at the UN to providing opportunities from Washington, D.C., or they have the intercultural student exchange program at Geneva. So Seton Hall is not just in New Jersey, but also in New York, but also in Geneva, but also all the international connections they build provides a hands-on experience to the students who want a diplomatic career in the future.